With reference to the principle, energy circulation through difference of evolution of energy theory, explain life. Life explained through the principle of energy circulation through difference. The principle of energy circulation through difference in the evolution of energy theory provides a unique framework for understanding life. This principle emphasizes that life is fundamentally about the movement and transformation of energy through various forms of differences, whether they are biological, chemical, physical, or environmental. Here is a detailed explanation. Fundamental concepts. Energy flow and transformation. Life is characterized by continuous energy flow and transformation. Organisms capture energy from their environment, convert it into usable forms, and utilize it to maintain biological processes. This ongoing circulation of energy is essential for sustaining life. Differences as drivers. Differences in energy potential, such as gradients of concentration, temperature, or chemical composition, drive the flow of energy. These differences create opportunities for energy to move and do work, which is the basis of all biological activity. Biological processes. Metabolism. Metabolic processes exemplify energy circulation through difference. For instance, cells maintain concentration gradients of ions across their membranes. The movement of ions down these gradients, from high to low concentration, is harnessed to generate ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Homeostasis. Maintaining homeostasis involves regulating internal differences. Organisms constantly adjust their internal environment to optimize energy use and ensure stability despite external changes. This regulation requires energy, illustrating the circulation of energy to manage differences. Photosynthesis and respiration. Photosynthesis in plants captures energy from sunlight and converts it into chemical energy stored in glucose, creating a difference in energy potential. Cellular respiration in animals and plants then uses these energy differences to produce ATP, demonstrating the cyclical nature of energy flow. Ecological interactions. Food webs. Energy circulates through ecosystems via food webs, where different organisms occupy various trophic levels. Producers, example plants, capture solar energy. Consumers, example herbivores, obtain energy by eating plants, and predators gain energy by consuming herbivores. Decomposers recycle energy from dead organisms back into the ecosystem. Nutrient cycles. Differences in nutrient availability drive the circulation of energy through ecosystems. Nutrients move from the soil to plants, from plants to herbivores, and through the food web, returning to the soil through decomposition, completing the cycle. Evolutionary adaptation. Adaptation to environmental differences. Organisms evolve adaptations that allow them to exploit energy differences in their environment. For example, fish in deep-sea environments have adapted to the pressure and lack of light, developing bioluminescence to attract prey or mates. Speciation and diversity. Evolution creates diversity by generating differences among species. This biodiversity results in varied ways of capturing and using energy, enhancing the resilience and stability of ecosystems. Life's emergence and complexity. Origin of life. The emergence of life can be viewed as the organization of energy through differences. Early life forms likely arose in environments with significant chemical and thermal gradients, such as hydrothermal vents, where energy could be harnessed to drive the formation of complex organic molecules. Increasing complexity. Over evolutionary time, life has become increasingly complex, developing more sophisticated mechanisms to capture, store, and use energy. This complexity is driven by the continuous creation and exploitation of new energy differences. Conclusion. The principle of energy circulation through difference provides a comprehensive understanding of life. It emphasizes that life is sustained by the constant movement and transformation of energy, driven by differences at multiple levels: biological, ecological, and evolutionary. By circulating energy through these differences, living systems maintain their structure, function, and adaptability, illustrating the dynamic and interconnected nature of life.